Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Cash App Overdraft. So let's get right into it. Now, overdraft basically means that you can overdraw the funds that you have on your card, or pretty much go into a negative balance and then pay it back at a later date. You have that with overdraw, or rather it's free coverage, so I'm pretty sure you won't even need to maybe pay them back. Not really sure on the specifics there, but you have that, or you can also use the buy now pay later option, which you have on Cash App, and that can also help you with anything you need. Now, for overdraft, what you need to do is to enable it, and to enable it, you go into your card menu on the app. In the bottom left, second icon from the left is your card icon. Just tap on that, go into that menu, make sure your Cash App card is activated and approved, and then scroll down until you get to overdraft, and then you'll be able to activate overdraft coverage. Now, to access the free overdraft coverage, what you need to do is you need to have the activated card, as I mentioned, and you need to get a direct deposit $300 or more every month in paychecks, just to make sure that or for Cash App, to make sure that you are well covered when it comes to cash, that you have enough funds to go with it, and that you're not just gonna rip them off. So you can use that just like this, and once you meet the criteria, you'll be able to activate the overdraft once you go into the app. Now, keep in mind, this is only for cash card transactions. You can't directly use Cash App to access overdraft. You do need to use your card only. And other than that, what you can do, as I've mentioned, you can use the buy now pay later option, which is the second one from the right. I'm not very sure how that works, but it is what it is. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.